Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we will integrate this given example and we will use the method called substitution method. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to call this part inside this radical x squared plus 1 as u. I'm going to say let u equal to x squared plus 1. Then du is going to be how much? The derivative of x squared is 2x plus the derivative of 1 is 0 times dx. So that means dx is going to be simply du over 2x. So let's go ahead and plug it back over here. So this is going to be a simply x times, so this was u. So I said u power square root is same as power 1 over 2 times dx. We got how much? Du over 2x, isn't it? So now let's go ahead and cancel out x and x. So we simply got 1 over 2 outside. We got u power 1 over 2 du. And we know that 1 over 2 outside, so that's going to be a u power 3 over 2 and 3 over 2 over here. So let's go ahead and flip this thing over. What happens then? That's going to be 1 over 2. When you take the reciprocal of this thing, become 2 over 3, and then this u power 3 over 2. And finally what we got, 2 and 2 cancel out, of course, 1 over 3. What was u at the very first place was x square plus 1 power 3 over 2, and finally plus c as a arbitrary constant, and that is our answer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.